Today is September the 15th, and I'm just going to do a quick short video to tell you a little bit about the 385 tractor here in Zambia and its current state. As you can see, we've had to split this tractor because we had a fail on the reverse idler a couple of days ago. It wasn't possible to select the reverse gear, so we have dismantled it in our training room and we have removed the gearbox. So we have got two guys in from Barlow World and one of our own guys dismantling the gearbox, which has been done, and we have discovered an issue with the reverse idler. Looking at the components, first of all, the reverse idler shaft has got some scoring on it, where it looks as though it may have picked up on the shaft during operation. Coupled with that, the copper washers on either side are scored, so we're going to replace these. We've also noticed damage on the teeth on the reverse idler. It's difficult to see on this video, but where my thumb is, you can see there's quite a bit of damage where the teeth have been eaten away on the front. So we are replacing it with an idler that we've removed from a Brazilian-built 8-speed gearbox, which these guys are currently building at the moment. So we also had damage to one of the small needle roller bearings, which we think probably broke during operation. So we've managed to change these over. Oh, is that the broken one? So we've changed these over. That's the broken one, and we will replace them with the ones out of the model gearbox that we have. All of the seals and all of the snap rings to replace all in the input shafts, and all of the various snap rings and circlips. We have these all in stock, so we'll get those all replaced, and we should hopefully have this back together again by some stage tomorrow. One of the other observations that we can make is that on the main shaft, it was extremely difficult to remove some of the bearings, getting them to move along that shaft. So it took us a long time to split this transmission out, and in fact on the lay shaft itself we haven't been able to remove the lay shaft entirely because we just simply cannot remove that bearing that's down in the center there. We can move the shaft backwards and forwards, but that bearing will not move on that shaft. So we've actually stopped doing that because we can probably get the reverse idler done without taking the lay shaft out, but that's a concern of ours. We will now spend the balance of the day washing everything out, running some more training for these guys and showing them how this all works, and then putting it back together again. So by the end of the day today, we should have this gearbox reassembled and ready to go back in the tractor. If we find anything more, we'll record it and send you guys a report.